Hey everybody, it's David again from Real Hard Reviews. In today's video, we are thrilled to present you with an exciting review of the ASUS Vivobook S15 OLED. This laptop is packed with incredible features that combine sleek and stylish design with powerful performance. So let's dive in and explore all that this laptop has to offer. The ASUS Vivobook S15 OLED truly stands out with its classy and stylish design. Its metallic finish extends across the entire body, giving it a premium feel. The matte finish on the lid adds a touch of luxury, while the enhanced branding makes it visually appealing. The S15 is built to withstand the challenges of the real world. With its US MLI STT A10H certification, this laptop has undergone rigorous testing including shock, vibration, and temperature testing as well. The laptop is well built and feels solid in the hand. The Vivobook S15 OLED offers a good range of ports, including a Thunderbolt 4 port for fast connectivity. On the left side, there's a single USB-A 2.0 port for connecting a mouse, keyboard, or USB stick. The right side features one USB-C port with Thunderbolt 4, a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port with 5 gigabits transfer speeds, and an HDMI 1.4 slot, and a convenient 3.5mm audio combo jack. When it comes to display, ASUS never disappoints. The Vivobook S15 features a large 15.6 OLED display with a 1080p resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. This delivers a smooth and crisp visual experience while playing games and watching movies. With Pantone validation and certifications like DCI P3, this display reproduces true-to-life colors and also very deeper blacks. Unlike many laptops, the ASUS Vivobook S15 OLED provides us with an exceptional sound quality. Equipped with two bottom-firing speakers tuned by Harman Kardon, this laptop provides a wide sound profile and best-in-class audio. Whether you're watching movies or listening to music, the audio experience is truly immersive. In terms of wireless connectivity, the laptop supports Wi-Fi 6 for faster and more reliable wireless internet connection, which is great for streaming, online gaming, and other bandwidth-intensive activities. Bluetooth 5.1 is also available for wireless device pairing. The Vivobook S15 also features a full-size keyboard with numpad and backlight for convenience. While the long key travel makes typing more responsive, I usually find the keys a bit mushy, though the large trackpad below the keyboard is fairly responsive and supports gestures, making navigation smooth and efficient. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the Full HD camera with privacy shutter. This feature ensures your privacy when you're not using the webcam. Well, simply slide the shutter and voila, no more worries about unintentional video mishaps. In well-lit environments, the camera does deliver decent visuals with impressive clarity. However, in low-light conditions, the picture quality does take a hit, becoming somewhat grainy and losing sharpness. Now, let's talk about performance. The Vivobook S15 is powered by the Intel Core i9-13900 Gen H series processor, which is basically the best you can get on a laptop. With its 14 cores and 20 threads, this processor can handle any task effortlessly. It is also paired with 16 gigs of DDR5 memory and a 1TB NVMe drive. On paper, this laptop should deliver. To put it in its paces, we ran PCMark 10, Geekbench 6, and also Cinebench R23. Now, the results were pretty impressive for an ultra-light notebook. In Cinebench R23, it scored around 1,663 points in single core and 11,931 in multi-core. In Geekbench 6, it showed around 2,297 points in single core and 12,392 in multi-core. Meanwhile, in PCMark 10, it gave a score of around 5,627 points. Now remember, this is an ultralight notebook, so this is perfect for day-to-day tasks. While the Vivobook may not be designed for gaming, it surprised us with its ability to handle lighter games. By tweaking the settings and opting for easy-to-run titles, you can enjoy a decent gaming experience on this portable machine. The Vivobook S15 also keeps it cool with a single fan and 2 vents for efficient cooling. In quiet mode, it remains silent, while performance mode keeps the fan noise to a minimum. The fan noise did increase a bit, measuring around 51.2 decibels, and the CPU temperature reached a maximum of around 96 degrees Celsius, causing thermal throttle. Remember, this is a productivity notebook, so for burst performance and quick tasks, it excels, providing access to the full clock speed of the CPU. This laptop's battery easily lasts a full workday, even with moderate usage. Whether you're web browsing or editing documents or streaming video, you can expect the battery to keep up with you. However, when running demanding tasks or engaging in light gaming, the battery will drain faster. But overall, the battery performance remains solid, providing around 6 to 8 hours of mixed use. The ASUS Vivobook S15 OLED is a stylish and well-built laptop that offers a premium experience. Its sleek design, durable build quality, and impressive display makes it stand out from its competitors. The powerful hardware, including the Intel Core i9 processor and ample RAM, ensures excellent performance for various tasks. While the keyboard may not suit everyone's preferences, the laptop compensates for it with its outstanding display and sound quality. The battery life is commendable considering the powerful components, and the connectivity options are plentiful. Overall, if you're in the market for a high-performance laptop with a stunning OLED display and a premium design, the ASUS Vivobook S15 OLED is definitely worth considering. It offers a great balance between style, performance, and durability, making it suitable for both work and entertainment purposes. And thus, this concludes our video. Thank you for joining us for this review of the ASUS Vivobook S15 OLED. And if you have found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more technological reviews and recommendations, stay tuned for our next video. Until then, peace out.